After staying 3 full months in French Polynesia, we had arrived at the last and arguably most beautiful island, Bora Bora. Last week, we climbed to one of the highest peaks we could find to see this island in all her beauty. This week, we look to circumnavigate the lagoon of Bora Bora.
Just when you think you've seen it all, every day we just see something new. It just takes our breath away.
To see why it is one of the most expensive resort islands on the planet. We run into another cruiser that needs immediate assistance, and we fail to feed not only stingrays, but also rocks. Oh, I wish I was a stingray, getting fed by a young Isabelle. 2021, bread was in the air, in the water. Okay, so just another day here in Bora Bora.
Yes.
We are venturing out to Leopard Ray City, I believe it's called. It's a spot.
I don't know if it's a city, but
apparently it's the tourist attraction to do around here. All the hotels will take you out on their boat to Leopard Ray City, and you'll swim with all the rays and the sea life.
Yeah. The weather is just like a bit so-so. We've been having some squalls today.
Bit of rain, bit of sun, bit of rain, bit of sun.
Yeah. But we're making the best out of it. So.
We have to. We've got maybe 2 or 3 days left here in Bora Bora, and we just gotta go. We just gotta do it. We gotta do everything, rain or shine. Just gotta do it.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.
As leaving to go snorkeling, we noticed a vessel that had broken off its mooring, with a very panicked woman on board, who went over to help. In the middle. Near this. Keep going a little bit further. Yeah, perfect, right there.
For the front, and that one is here for the back.
It's okay. Got it.
There's another one.
You stay up the front. Isabelle, come to the back. Just really take our dinghy to the center, midship. You want to go out? I think it's deep enough.
Okay.
We're at 3 at the moment.
Wait.
Okay, apologies for the footage of this GoPro, but
we're on a rescue mission.
we just were getting off our boat to go snorkeling with our friends Massimo and Paula, and they yelled to us and they pointed at a boat that was drifting off their mooring. Unfortunately, the lady and the captain had a motorbike accident 2 days ago. He's now in hospital in Raiatea, which is another island, and she's on the boat completely alone. So we were happy to try and help as much as we could. So
she was really stressed. She didn't really know what to do. So Captain Kieran to the rescue.
Captain Merewether to the rescue.
But it felt really good to be able to help in a situation like that. I could relate to her stress. So it felt really good to be able to help.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Just another day here in Bora Bora. We are venturing around the entire island today. The clouds are out a little bit too much, but we got to make the most of our time here.
Yes, we're gonna go around the island on the windward side. We haven't been there yet. We saw it when we were up on the mountain the other day. Maybe swing past Four Seasons and see what they're up to.
We're just taking the dinghy around.
Yes,
We will
we're
admit.
going with the dinghy.
We can't get the big boat around the whole island, and they actually only allow moorings here in Bora Bora. There's no anchoring. There's one place you can anchor, but it's for 36 hours and it's not really worth it. So we just pick up the moorings and relax.
Yeah. Somebody got some new shades going on.
Yes, I have a early birthday present. I got an early birthday present yesterday from my beautiful girlfriend. Perfect timing because my old shades just broke yesterday. They were kind of cheapies. But I'm so stoked with these, babe. You picked well.
You look handsome.
And it should keep us safe. Having the polarized action going on and
Yes.
being able to spot the reefs. And,
Yes.
maintaining my eyes.
Good. Okay, for this little mission, we have packed some essentials. So we have 2 phones with us. We also have our portable radio. What else?
Jackets,
Rain jackets.
drone,
Drone.
extra fuel,
Yeah, extra fuel.
chain and lock, wetsuits,
Wallet.
flippers, masks.
GoPros.
When we go on these little missions, it takes about an hour to just set the dinghy up with everything we need.
Yeah.
But it's worth it because when we go out, we really like to discover with all the little toys that we need.
Yeah. Yeah. Just bring everything.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go do this. Flora.
This little island in here that's got huts built right in the right in the center.
Yeah.
It's just protected by trees and palm trees. Looks unreal. The beach looks unreal. It says Bora Bora Motu Tain Sandbanks.
And all of them are private, yeah?
Yeah, they're all private. Well, every single one of these islands is private. I think every inch of Bora Bora land is purchased, and it's unreal, spectacular. Unfortunate, it's just so commercialized, but it's stunning.
Yeah. Lovely, isn't it? When humans come into the world and leave shit everywhere.
Oh, it's good. It's good feeding. No, don't chuck it out.
I'm chucking it out, so I'm chucking out the water in it.
Oh, okay. We can use the bread as fish food to get the what is it? The stingrays and the manta rays and all that around. Oh, manta rays don't eat bread.
Maybe.
Maybe.
No plastic in the water, please.
Just when you think you've seen it all, I mean, still, every day we just see something new. It just takes our breath away, and this is another one of those spots. Sandblast Islands was like, whoa, what? Then Tuamoto's was like, whoa, what? And now the Society Islands are just,
Breathtaking.
yeah, it's just unreal. So we've just put a little anchor down at this beach right next to the Four Seasons Resort. We're not sure if we're allowed to or not, but who cares? The reef walk.
is just incredible. It is, honestly, it's exactly how it looks in the photos when you research Bora Bora. It is just, the turquoise water is just unreal. Driving around Bora Bora, we're done half of it now, and it's just different shades of light turquoise water. It's just incredibly beautiful. And the spot too. We're really close to Four Seasons. I can see it from here. The view is just spectacular. Incredible. Wondering if we should put down a little hut here. It's not deep enough to have Merewether just here, but maybe we can figure something out. We actually called up the Four Seasons after this and asked them if they would have us over for lunch. The lady on the phone took note of this and asked us if she could call us back. And so she did 15 minutes later and told us yes, this is possible. But she also told us that we had to pay for a day pass as well. $180 per person to enter the resort. And this was not including the lunch. We said thank you, but politely declined the offer and took a drive around the area instead. A lunch on Merewether is really hard to beat.
Bora Bora doesn't appear to be getting less popular either. 3 new resorts are planned for this Pacific island, costing a cool $30 million each.
That's some solid concrete.
Seeing this amount of construction over such pristine waters was a bit surprising to us. We hadn't seen it yet in the Pacific.
So, what are we doing, darling?
We are feeding the stingrays.
Hey, let's see if they,
We are trying.
let's see if they like my wet bread. Okay, I'll be your driver and filmer. Multitasking. Multitasking, yes. Some men can do it.
I think that's the guy.
That's a rock.
That's definitely one. Up there. That's that one.
Definitely one, guys. We've definitely got one over here. Definitely one, guys, here. Definitely one. Apparently, according to Isabelle.
Swam away.
It swam away, did it? It's not this rock. This rock just here. That's well, definitely one. Oh wait, no, that's a rock.
You're gonna get tickled.
Good call, baby.
You?
Good call. Killing it.
Come on, driver.
Okay, Isabelle's onto it now. What are we? You calling it? Seriously?
Yeah. Seriously. Nice too.
Okay.
Just not so close.
The engine's going off.
Okay, you ready for this?
I'm ready, baby. See if they take the bait. I don't think they like baguette, babe. These are obviously not French stingrays. Maybe they're rocks again.
Moving rocks. Swimming rocks. Do you want some wet baguette?
Oh, it does look tempting. Baguette that's been in the water for God knows how long. I'm a pass.
Guys! I'm
Oh.
not giving up.
Oh, I wish I was a stingray getting fed by a young Isabelle. 2021. Bread was in the air, in the water. I think that's just scaring them away, babe.
How am I supposed to, like, guys, this is food.
I think you're meant to show them. I think you got to eat it yourself. Give it a little nibble on yourself.
You're not coming up.
Bloody tourists, hey? Trying to feed bread to a stingray.
What would they like? So we're just driving past the Hotel Conrad. It's a hotel chain, quite expensive. I just looked at online now, and you can get a villa for 6 people right on the corner here for $7,000 per night. It looks so beautiful, but it's a bit too much. We're just we're on mooring board just around the corner here for free for the night. It is very interesting to see how much people pay. There are incredible hotels, but it's quite interesting to just cruise by and watch it from the water.